To begin, find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Let yourself fully relax into this present moment. Now, notice your breath. Notice if it is shallow or if it is deep. Notice if it resides in your chest or deep down in your belly. Begin to deepen your breath, allowing your body to relax with each inhale and exhale. Inhaling, allowing your chest to rise, followed by your lower ribs and belly. And exhale, belly, lower ribs, and chest all relax. Again, inhale, chest, lower ribs, and belly all expand, holding for a moment at the top. And exhale fully out of your mouth, belly, lower ribs, and chest relaxing. As you continue to breathe deeply, allow your awareness to settle into your heart center. Feel the warmth and light radiating from within, connecting you to the infinite source of love and abundance that resides within you. Take a moment now to reflect on all the wonderful qualities that make you unique and special. Sometimes it can be difficult to truly view yourself for your strengths. If it is helpful, try imagining viewing yourself through the eyes of someone who loves or cares for you. How would they describe the things they appreciate most about you? How do they see you light up the world? Borrow this vision and bask in the glow of what makes you unique and special. Now embrace yourself fully, acknowledging your strengths, your resilience, and your capacity for love and compassion. Now visualize or imagine a soft golden light surrounding you, enveloping you in an orb or aura of love and warmth. Feel this light infusing every cell of your being, nourishing you from the inside out. With each breath, allow this light to expand, filling the space around you with its radiant glow. As you bask in this loving energy, affirm to yourself, I am worthy of love. I am deserving of all the blessings that the universe has to offer. I am enough just as I am. Know that there is no light that shines in this world with your unique qualities and attributes. When you are aligned with your true self and essence, you provide a gift that only you can exude and share. Uniquely imprinted to you based off your life experiences. Now shift your focus to the concept of abundance. Visualize an orchard overflowing with lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and abundant fruit. Feel the richness of this abundance surrounding you, inviting you to partake in its bounty. As you immerse yourself in this vision of abundance, let go of any limiting beliefs or scarcity mindset that may be holding you back. Affirm to yourself, I am open to receiving all the abundance that the universe has to offer for me. I trust in the divine flow of life to provide all my needs. Now, as you continue to bask in the glow of self-love and abundance, envision a serene and captivating setting unfolding before you. Picture yourself in this beautiful orchard, surrounded by the sights and sound of nature in full bloom. Feel the gentle breeze caressing your skin and the sweet scent of fresh vine-ripe fruits and blossoming flowers filling the air. In this effortlessly romantic setting, feel a deep sense of ease, beauty, and connection with the world around you. Allow yourself to fully surrender to the magic of this moment, knowing that you are a beloved child of the universe, worthy of all the love and joy that life has to offer. Now, take a moment to set an intention for attracting divine love into your life. Visualize your ideal partner standing before you, radiating love and warmth. Perhaps it is somebody you already know and are in relationship with, standing as the most aligned and best version of themselves. Or perhaps it is someone you are ready to meet and attract into your life experience. See yourself connecting with this divine partner, feeling a deep sense of love, compassion, and belonging. Know that as you continue to cultivate self-love and abundance within, you are magnetizing love and harmony in your life. Trust in the divine timing of your life experience, knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. When you are ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment, wiggling your fingers and toes, gently stretching your body. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the sensation of your body rising with every inhale and relaxing into the surface beneath you with every exhale. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of love, abundance, and connection with you throughout your day, knowing that you are deserving of all the love and joy this life has to offer. Thank you so much for joining me in today's meditation. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like, or checking out one of these other videos that you may also enjoy. I can't wait to see you next time, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.